The 2026 Honda Accord redefines what a midsize sedan can be, blending elegance, performance, and innovation in a way that feels both familiar and futuristic. As one of Honda's most iconic nameplates, the Accord continues to evolve, and this new generation is no exception. From its sleek, sculpted body to its intelligent hybrid powertrain, everything about the 2026 model has been meticulously crafted to deliver an exceptional driving experience. At first glance, the design of the 2026 Accord stands out with a longer, lower, and more aerodynamic silhouette. The front fascia is bold yet refined, featuring a wide grille seamlessly integrated with slim LED headlamps that give it a confident, upscale presence. The signature daytime running lights form a sleek line that extends across the front, emphasizing width and stability. From the side, the flowing body lines enhance the car's athletic stance, while the rear end, with its elegant LED taillights and subtle spoiler, completes a look that's both modern and timeless. Every design cue feels intentional. It's not about shouting for attention, but about exuding quiet confidence. Under the hood, the 2026 Accord offers two powertrains, a refined 1.5-liter turbocharged engine and an advanced 2.0-liter hybrid setup. The hybrid system, borrowed from the latest Honda CR-V and improved for this model, pairs electric motors with a gasoline engine to produce responsive power and remarkable fuel efficiency. Drivers can expect smooth acceleration, instant torque from the electric assist, and a driving feel that's far more dynamic than typical sedans in its class. The hybrid model especially shines in urban environments, seamlessly switching between electric and gas power to maximize efficiency without sacrificing performance. The Accord's suspension and steering have also been tuned for precision and comfort. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through winding roads, the chassis delivers balance and composure. Noise, vibration, and harshness have been minimized through additional insulation and improved aerodynamics, making the cabin whisper quiet even at higher speeds. For those who appreciate a sportier feel, the available sport and touring trims offer adaptive dampers that adjust to driving conditions in real time, giving you both agility and smoothness on demand. Step inside, and the 2026 Accord welcomes you with an interior that blends minimalism and technology. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, dominated by a large floating touchscreen, now a 12.3-inch unit, that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver's digital display is crisp and customizable, keeping all essential information right in your line of sight. Materials across the cabin feel premium, from soft-touch surfaces to the available leather upholstery and ambient lighting. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering excellent comfort and support for long drives. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, a signature Accord strength, while the trunk provides ample cargo space, making it a practical companion for families and travelers alike. In terms of technology and safety, Honda has gone all in with the latest iteration of Honda Sensing. This suite of driver assist features includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, traffic sign recognition, and a new hands-free highway driving feature available on upper trims. The Accord also introduces Honda's latest connected car system, allowing for remote start, vehicle diagnostics, and over-the-air updates directly from your smartphone. It's a car that not only drives well, but also keeps you connected and protected in ways that feel effortless. Performance-wise, the hybrid version of the 2026 Accord delivers around 204 horsepower, with impressive torque and fuel economy figures that exceed 45 miles per gallon combined, depending on the trim. The acceleration is smooth and immediate, giving drivers confidence whether they're merging onto highways or navigating city traffic. The non-hybrid turbo engine remains a solid choice for those who prefer a traditional setup with peppy performance and refined manners. What makes the 2026 Accord special is its balance. It doesn't chase extremes. It's not trying to be a luxury sedan or a sports car, yet it confidently delivers qualities of both. The cabin feels premium without being pretentious. The driving experience is spirited without compromising comfort, and the technology feels advanced yet approachable. For buyers seeking a car that simply does everything well, from daily commuting to weekend getaways, the Accord continues to set the standard. The 2026 Honda Accord represents more than just an update. It's a clear statement of how Honda envisions the modern sedan: efficient, connected, and emotionally engaging. Whether you choose it for its hybrid efficiency, refined craftsmanship, or timeless reliability, one thing's for sure: the Accord remains one of the most complete and well-rounded cars you can buy. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every mile in between.